In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Facebook account to eBay. Whether you're trying to streamline your login process or just want the convenience of a linked account, we'll take you through each step, ensuring it's simple and straightforward. Let's get started by logging into your eBay account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. To do that, hover your mouse pointer over your name in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu with various options. Click on Account Settings to proceed. Within your account settings, focus on the Personal Info section. Here, look for Sign In and Security, which is your gateway to managing how you access your account. Select this option. It's where you'll begin linking your Facebook account. Next, scroll down to the section titled Social Sign In. This area is dedicated to connecting your eBay account with various social platforms. And in this case, we're focusing on Facebook. In the Social Sign In section, locate Facebook. You'll see an edit button next to it. Click on this to start the linking process. After clicking edit, select Continue with Facebook. This is where the two accounts begin to sync, and Facebook will ask for the necessary permissions to link with eBay. Granting these permissions is safe and allows for a more seamless login experience across platforms. Follow any prompts that appear on your screen carefully. Each prompt ensures you're aware of the changes being made and that you remain in control every step of the way. Keep your Facebook login credentials handy, as you may need to enter them during this process. Once completed, your Facebook account will be successfully linked to your eBay account. This not only makes logging into eBay easier, but also keeps you up to date with any notifications or activities across both platforms. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to linking your Facebook account to eBay. While following these instructions, your user experience will be enhanced and account management will be much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy linking!